Hello families, welcome again to Wendy Style. A beautiful Wednesday. Today is for Women Crush Wednesday, and today I have hairstyles for every woman to try. These are beautiful short hairstyles, very low cut with different type of designs and different kind of fades with different kind of styles. Today in Wonder Styles, I'm here to showcase to you guys beautiful short hairstyles for beautiful matured women. Your first time today in Wonder Styles, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me know your minds in the comment section below. When the styles have really worked many women through beautiful short hairstyles, So today is not going to be different because today's videos and pictures you'll see promises to be good, promises to be amazing. These are styles that will really want to make you try out different style on your hair this week. These are really low maintenance short hairstyles that will make you look ageless, that will make you look beautiful, that will make you look elegant. These are beautiful short hairstyles for you to try. So if you really want to look good, you want to stand out from the party, you want to look different amongst the crowd, you want to kind of create that kind of difference like in the crowd, this is the kind of style for you to try. Just watch the styles and let me know your mind in the comment section below, because I know I'm not going to fail you guys for short hairstyles really lives here in Wonder Styles. A beautiful day to everyone, and I'm wishing everyone a blessed week. Thank you so much for staying up to your girl, and see you guys at the end of the video. Thank you.